All right, I'm back with another video. It's Josh, you know what I'm saying? We back with another video. So I've been going. There's been like a lot going on lately. I've been going, but I want to come back because a lot of y'all been like blowing up my Snapchat and everything like that, which is what I want you to do. Make sure you follow me on Snapchat. My Snapchat is down at the bottom. If you want to ask me questions, if you have me on Snapchat, you know I'll be responding. Like I respond really fast because I mess with y'all. You know what I'm saying? This is not just my channel. That's pretty much y'all Snapchat. You know what I'm saying? So you can always ask me questions, do all that type of stuff. Cause you know what I'm saying? Why promote my Snapchat if I'm not gonna respond? So I'm going to respond to you, but y'all been blowing me up. So it's time for a video. That's pretty much what it is. It's basically, when I get blown up, that means y'all want another video, and I understand, and I'm here to deliver for y'all because that's what we do and everything like that. So but yeah, as I was saying though, pretty much gonna give y'all some tips, give y'all like what I do and everything like that, just to help you out in this coronavirus and everything like that. Because you guys been, you know what I'm saying, been asking me questions and everything, and I greatly appreciate it. Again, make sure you follow me on Snapchat so that way we can communicate, you know, so we can be here. But yeah, never be afraid to ask me a question. I'm real thorough on my answers. I want to make sure that y'all are understanding it and I'm making sense when I'm saying it to you. I am. That's how I am and everything. So, but today's video just kind of want to give you tips on the coronavirus, how to stay afloat in your ways and make sure you're good, make sure that you're not having any problems, you're not having any issues, you're still progressing, you're not losing progress. So first thing first, for my waivers, for my folks, everyone who watch my videos, you need to make sure you have one of these. As a black man, this is very essential for every black man, black female, black anything, mixed, everybody. But you gotta have one of these. You know what I'm saying? As you know, with this coronavirus thing, a lot of folks are not being able to get haircuts, me included. I'm really not too worried about haircuts because I'm still wavy and everything because I'm able to still line myself up, which is important. In my opinion, I think I do better than my actual barbers. We're not gonna go there. But you know what I'm saying? This is important. Just to make sure you are like clean shaven, make sure you your hair is on point, your hairline is on point. That's just gonna give you, you know, it's gonna give you more time before you go in a barber chair. So make sure you have one of these. When you get it though, like if you have, another thing too, if you have this and you notice it's not hitting right, like the clip is really not hitting, I don't think it's gonna focus. If it's not hitting right, you need to replace the blade. The blade would be like $11. So, you know what I'm saying, if you want to buy this, get a blade too. I'm gonna hook y'all up with a link in the description. I'm gonna put the link in the bottom, so you know what I'm saying, you can pick one of those up. But you need to so yeah, anyway, you need to have one of these. You need to get, it's called a T outliner. Make sure you cop. You gotta have one of these, especially if you're trying to wave and everything. And just, you know, practice lining yourself up. You guys just think about it. It's really simple. It's just a line. It's not too complicated. You know what I'm saying? Just give yourself a little line, and then you can start. I think I can show you a little bit right now. So, you know what I'm saying? Do a little something every now and then. Try to practice. I mean, you got time now. You got a little bit more time, so just try to, you know. I'm saying, do a little bit of something. And then when I was first starting out, I started out in I think I started out in middle school, high school, like kind of when I started like getting familiar with the clippers and everything. I wasn't really that good at it, but you need to start, because as you know, if you're not at the barber chair, you're gonna look crazy. This is what it is. If you're not using these, you're gonna look crazy. So make sure you cop one of those. Another thing too, make sure y'all stay on your routine. Make sure y'all stay on your brush sessions. Make sure you are doing the necessary things for you to have good waves, because just because if you slacking, the next person not slacking. You know what I'm saying? Just because you want to take a break, that don't mean the next person is gonna want to take a break. It's always somebody, like, you know, coronavirus or not, I'm gonna be on point. You know what I'm saying? Coronavirus or not, my way is gonna be better than yours. There's always somebody like that, so just understand that. And understand somebody's putting in work, somebody's still putting in brush sessions and everything like that. So I recommend that for you guys. That's probably one of the most, I really want to talk about it. That's like one of the most important things too. Make sure you get a Torino Pro. I just figured out if you just put I gotta put the item where the exit or where the box is and then focus. All right, so then now we'll talk about hard brushes, which is this Torino Pro. This is what I use. It's what I brush with. If you new to my channel, I recommend Torino Pro. If you're not new, you guys know that's what I use. That's what I like. That's what I recommend to you guys. Torino Pro. Make sure your money is well invested in something that's going to work and last a long time for you. So I make sure I use the Torino Pro. I'm probably going to be picking up a soft brush in the future, just because I want my hair to lay down a little bit better. And I brought this out to say the hard brush is that when you are woofing, because we're all pretty sure we woofing, unless you got a barber connect, you know what I'm saying, y'all, somebody making house visits or something like that. You gotta make sure you have a hard brush because your hair is gonna be a lot thicker. If you don't cut it, you already know, if you don't, can we focus? All right, yeah, if you don't cut your hair, it's gonna grow. If you don't cut your hair, it's gonna grow. So that means when your hair is cut, or if you're not cutting your hair, if you're not cutting your hair, it means your hair is gonna be longer. So you either have a more possibility to mess up, more possibility to get deeper waves. So just know that. But in the process, you wanna make sure you have a hard brush. That's gonna be very, very important to you. It's very, very key. And next up, we got castor oil. You know what I'm saying? Next up, we got castor oil. So this is a staple product for me and my not my collection, but me and my routine now is I probably need to put some in right now. But yeah, castor oil is really, really good. It's very vitamin infused, very rich. The type of grease, I use that so that my hair can be moisturized and my leg waves can be good, looking good, you know. And I noticed with this, like, I don't really have to use wave cream. I mean, I'm not really going anywhere, like, you know what I'm saying, but I don't have to. I don't know. I just noticed it's just a more comfortable feel. You know what I'm saying? My hair is a lot healthier. That's something I try to focus on when I'm kind of chilling. So I'm able to put this in, and it just conditions my hair really well. So this is a good product too if you're not trying to break the bank. I know a lot of y'all are, you know, wonder about that. You can just use olive oil. Oh snap, boy, I thought that thing was gonna come down on my face, bro. But as you already know, I'm gonna stay with the waves. You know what I'm saying? I'm staying with the waves. So castor oil is a good alternative for you guys. Let's see, there you go. So castor oil is very good. That's what I've been using. That's what's been keeping me healthy, keeping me up to date. You know, you can put it on your hair, where you grow hair at, put on your head, and it's just gonna give you a better scalp and kind of like a better foundation. You know what I'm saying? This is like, if I can explain it, this is like the soil to like a plant. You know what I'm saying? This is just really, really good food for your hair. Very nutritious, very good nutrition. And I mean very good ingredients. I think that's for eating though. Let me chill out. But yeah, so you only need to use a small amount. And yeah, this is gonna be good conditioner. You don't have to use a lot. Throw a do-rag on, you're gonna be spinning. But I haven't been putting like a lot of wave grease in my hair. I'm just keeping it simple, keeping it easy. And that's been working out for me like tons, like crazy. Just keeping it easy, simple. Nothing too complicated, you know, just it's like a one and done, I'm out. So I'm trying to see something else. I got a medium too. Right now, I'm not too worried about the brushes. I just want to make sure I got a hard one, a hard brush. But you know what I'm saying, medium's good for me too. I've been using that kind of when I need it. I feel like, and yeah, I mean, I think that's pretty much it. That's all I've been doing for that. Just, you know what I'm saying, with the coronavirus, just make sure you don't slack. If I can tell you something, just make sure you don't slack. Don't slack. Be relaxed. Don't slack. Be relaxed, but be persistent. Be consistent, and you know, don't lose out what you learn during this time, because a lot of y'all might be disappointed when you get a cut and you don't see waves in there, but you gotta keep the you know, the train moving. You can't slow down the train for nothing. So don't lose progress because you're being lazy. This is not what you want. That's not what I want for you guys. So that's why I'm making sure I'm making this video. But anything else? I'm trying to think any other tips I got for y'all. What's something else too? So for washing, if you want to focus on washing, hair washing, one thing I've been doing, I've been using conditioner a lot more than shampoo. So that's been helping me out too for a healthier scalp, and my hair isn't as dry. So that plus this plus the you know what I'm saying, the castor oil has been helping me out. I've been liking how that's been working out for me, so I suggest you try that out too. But other than that, that's pretty much it. That's all you gotta do. And you know what I'm saying, you're gonna be waving. You're gonna be waving, man. Cause y'all already know I'm gonna be waving on coronavirus. Coronavirus or not, y'all already know I'm gonna be, it's me. But yeah, coronavirus or not, y'all already know I'm gonna be in there. Y'all already know I'm gonna be swimming. So just make sure you stay up to date. Continue watching my videos. I know y'all been watching my videos. I appreciate you for watching my videos. And you know what I'm saying, we'll be back with another video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. I'm out.